Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use InfinitePay.io for real estate transactions. Whether you are buying, selling or managing properties, InfinitePay.io provides a secure platform for handling payments and transactions. So let's get started. First, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the real estate transactions or payment section. This is where you can manage and process real estate transactions. To receive payments for property sales, set up an invoice or payment request through InfinitePay.io. Include details such as the property address, sale amount and payment terms. Now, to make a payment for a property purchase, select on Send Payment or a similar option. After that, enter the recipient's details including their payment information and the amount. Now, review the payment details and confirm the transaction. Make sure to include any references or notes relevant to the real estate transaction. Now monitor and manage transactions through the InfinitePay.io dashboard. You can even track payment status, view transaction history and ensure that funds are properly transferred. Ensure that all parties involved have their payment details set up correctly to facilitate smooth and secure transactions. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use InfinitePay.io for real estate transactions. This platform helps you manage payment efficiently and securely for buying or selling properties. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.